Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this gorgeous 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass S that's been replicated to look like a 442. It is a convertible, as you can see. It's got a 455 engine under the hood, an automatic transmission, power windows, power steering, front power disc brakes, and a power top along with power windows. I said power a lot. It's got some good power under the hood too. Beautiful hood scoops, as you can see on the hood. You got the latches for the hood pins there, but they're turn latches for the Oldsmobiles. Beautiful chrome, nice trim. The glass is really crisp around the entire car. Door handles are nice. All the interior looks really nice on the car. Factory looking rally wheels on it with black rally stripes. Look at that big old from the rear end. You know what I want to say. Dual exhaust. Car sounds amazing. Beautiful paint laid on the car. It's not perfect, guys, but it's a great upper driver on the vehicle. As you can see, there's no dings, dents, or scratches that I can see on the paint. It's got a beautiful reflection, great stand. Suspension has been gone through. Brake lines, fuel lines, weather stripping, and all the hoses under the hood have been gone through. So everything is good on the car. Look at the shine. Look at this shine. This is the second time that I've owned this car. Sold it to a guy in Florida a couple years back and happy to buy it back. That guy went on to move on to something else in our collection here. Beautiful interior, bucket seat, console car, nice dash, nice door panels, black vinyl top like new condition, and you can see that in my photos. Excuse me, just had lunch. To open up the hood on this one, you just turn these knobs. Okay, underneath here, pull the lever. Then underneath here, you would have to raise it, and I'm doing this with one hand. Bam, 455, guys. Beautiful core support, very clean painted. Air conditioning on the car. There's your power steering, your front power disc. Nice firewall on the car. Beautiful car. Restored. In my opinion, this car's been restored about 15 years ago. Under the hood's painted, and it's ready to go. Very reliable car. Let's check out the interior really quick. Trunk is excellent. Looks like to be all original sheet metal on the car. Power windows, as you can see. Beautiful door panels, original lips on the car. Door sill plates look nice. Inner and outer door jambs are nice and crisp. And there you have it, folks. The console. You got tilt wheel. Car showing 108, 181 on the odometer. Check out that old school radio there. Nice console on the car, and everything does function. Beautiful, right? I'm gonna start it up. I want you guys to hear it really quick. Oh, the key's in the trunk. The only thing I'm having a little trouble with is this rear window on the power. We're gonna try to adjust that window. We'll do our best. Sounds real nice. I love the rear end. It sounds nice. Engine purrs like a kitten. Really clean on both sides. Look, that works too. Both sides. Yeah. Oh, there you have it. So a little bit more in depth for the details of the car. Turn signals work, headlights work, brake lights work, wipers work, radio works, heater works. The air conditioning is present, but it's inoperable. We're gonna check it out, but no promises that it will function. And who needs air conditioning in a convertible? I mean, I have plenty of convertibles. I never put the air on. But anyway, I'm just giving you the facts on the car. We checked tire pressure. We got to get a little more air in that front left tire. We checked the oil, changed the oil, checked the coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, tranny fluid. Temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, fuel gauge works, and there is a spare tire in the trunk. That's my pre-delivery inspection that we do here before we ship the car out to anybody. Factory color code is 75. You guys can look that up and see what it was or what it is. Excuse me. So for financing, everyone keeps asking me, financing. Yes, use the bank's money. Why not? Money's cheap. Interest rates are low. Keep your money. Go on vacations with your family. Enjoy it. If your credit score is between 630 and 739, you will need 10% down to qualified buyers, okay? Rates are between 5 to 6%, right around there. If you're interested, there's no prepayment penalty. You'll need 10% down, like I said. Fill out that credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. For those of my customers that are a 740 credit score or higher, 740 credit score or higher, rates start at 2.5%, no prepayment penalty as well. No money down is required, but you could put money down to have less of a payment. So those people who have a 740 and greater credit score, just go directly to my lender's website and fill it out, lightstream.com. Once you get approved, call me or text me right away. Do not fill out any credit application unless, if this says sale pending on my website, do not create a file credit application, please, okay? We don't want to run your credit for nothing if we have the car already pending. So keep an eye out for that. For those of you who do not need financing, call me, text me. I'll send you a quote for open or enclosed carrier to your driveway. All our deliveries are insured, licensed, and bonded for the purchase price of your Cutlass, okay? Or 442 clone, whichever way, whatever you prefer. So, take advantage of our driveway delivery as well. Like I said, for those of you that are watching on YouTube, like it and share it. Subscribe to my channel. You'll see what I got coming for you guys tomorrow. I do videos and photos every day here at MGM Classics, explaining the vehicles to all the people and subscribers that are watching. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it with all your friends. Look at the pricing on these muscle cars, folks. Invest your money in something different that you can enjoy. You can touch it, you can feel it. It's a tangible, increasing asset, okay? I don't have to tell you. You know what the prices were 5 years ago. You know what they are today. Every year, these things go up in value. These cars sell on their own, okay? So take advantage. If you want it delivered, we can do that as well for you. I think I talked enough here in my 10-minute video. If you guys have any questions, that's fine. Please refer to my description before you ask me, what was the original color to this car? Well, read my description. If it doesn't say it on there, you know the CalTag code is 75. So do some homework, look it up. Does it have a power top? I said it does. Power windows? I said it does. Please, we're busy, you're busy. We run a business, you work for someone, you have a business, whatever it is, we are all busy. So let's respect each other's time. If you're serious about the car, call me, text me. My name's Thomas. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.